Hello everyone, my name is Nagiran son of Ramesh. I am from DKM3B. My metric number is 01DKM20F2045 and I am from Mechanical Department. Today we are going to do conversation between dealer and customer. My role is dealer.
Hello everyone, my name is Sharvin son of Ravindran. I am from DKM3B. My registration number is 01DKM20F2053. Today I am going to play the customer role for this conversation video. Hi, I am Sharvin here. I am interested in buying the new Apple iPad Pro.
Hello sir.
Can I know more about the product?
We have a new iPad Pro with size 11 inch and 12 inch with a black and space gray color.
I am glad to hear that, sir. Can I know the features and functions of this product?
Alright sir, a new iPad Pro have new features and functions developed by Apple companies such as new iOS 13 with 120Hz and Face ID recognition. Then function is you can use multiple apps in one time.
Oh, the new features and functions are so nice, sir. May I know the price of the Apple iPad Pro?
Okay sir, for this new iPad Pro price that we given is 3499 only.
Oh, okay, sir. Do you have any discount for this product?
Yes sir, we have a discount. But usually for item that we given 20% discount for regular customer. But for students we given a 40% discount only.
And one more thing, sir. How about the warranty for this product?
Okay sir, the warranty for this product is 1 year only.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the informations.
Okay sir, thank you for contact us.